The question says what is the equivalent weight of nitric acid in the given chemical reaction. You can see this is a balanced chemical reaction given here, and we have to calculate equivalent weight of nitric acid. Now pay attention very carefully. You can see 10 molecules of HNO3 are given there. 10 molecules of HNO3. Okay. Other side you can see nitrogen is present here also. Nitrogen present here also. Nitrogen present here also. Okay. And after balancing we are getting 10 molecules of what? HNO3. Okay. Pay attention very carefully. Equivalent weight formula, we have molecular weight. Equivalent weight is equal to what? Molecular weight divided by n factor is there. N factor. But in this case, you can see this nitrate ion is there. This is also nitrate ion. This is what? Ammonium ion. If you calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen, you can see each nitrogen is different environment. And if they are in different environment, then they will show different oxidation numbers. Okay. For example, this nitrogen is present in -3. This nitrogen is present in -3 oxidation number, and this nitrogen is present in +5 oxidation numbers. Okay, +5 oxidation numbers. For nitric acid, if I calculate n factor value, I can calculate equivalent weight, because molecular weight we can calculate by using periodic table. Okay, so now pay attention very carefully. This question is little bit different. How it is? Okay. 10 moles of HNO3 are given here. 10 moles. 10 moles of HNO3, and this side what? 1 mole of ammonium nitrate is there, where there is a difference in oxidation number. If you calculate the n factor value for ammonium nitrate, so you can see nitrogen, this side is also present in +5 oxidation number. 3 to 6. Hydrogen is what? +1. Then nitrogen present in +5 oxidation numbers. Okay. So nitrate ion is there. So nitrogen, this nitrogen having same oxidation number. There is no any change in oxidation number. Okay, but in this case you can see this nitrogen is having -3. Other side nitrogen is having +5. If I calculate n factor value to find the difference in oxidation number, 5 minus -3, 5 minus -3, n factor value in this case we will get 8 is there. N factor value 8. Okay, for this substance n factor value we got 8. Okay, and factor value 8. Now we can equate their equivalence. Okay, and we have learned the formula number of equivalence is equal to moles multiplied by n factor value. Okay, we have the relation number of equivalence of HNO3 is equal to number of equivalence of ammonium nitrate is there. Ammonium nitrate. Okay, and number of equivalence formula is there. Equivalence formula mole multiplied by n factor value is there. We are trying to calculate n factor value for the nitric acid, then we can answer this question. Okay, so number of equivalence of HNO3, mole multiplied by n factor. How many moles? 10 are given there. Multiplied by n factor for nitric acid, we do not know. Other side, number of equivalence of ammonium nitrate, in this case how many mole? 1 is there, multiplied by what is the n factor value? 8 is there. So n factor is equal to, we got 8 by 10 is there. This is the relation we are getting. This n factor value is for the nitric acid. We got n factor value for the nitric acid in this chemical reaction 8 by 10. Now molecular weight for nitric acid, we can calculate molecular weight. So we have HNO3 is there. We have, let me calculate here, HNO3. So hydrogen is what? 1. Nitrogen is what? 14 plus 16 3 it will be 48 will be there. Then 15 plus 48 and it will give us 63 will be there. 63 gram per mole. Okay. So we have 63 molecular weight of nitric acid divided by its n factor values are 8 by 10. So 8 by 10, 10 will go at the top. Okay, so we got a 63 by 8 multiplied by 10. 63 by 8, any option you can see option C is correct. 63 by 8 multiplied by 10 is there. We got equivalent weight of nitric acid in this chemical reaction.